Did you know that snoring can lead to serious health risks?
According to the Cleveland Clinic, snoring can increase your risk of serious health conditions, like strokes and heart attacks.
Heightened blood pressure can be an early warning that your snoring is causing serious health problems. Other anti-snoring techniques don't target the root cause, which is soft tissue falling back in your throat. ZQuiet is an anti-snoring mouthpiece that provides immediate relief by gently moving the jaw forward. It's ready to use straight out of the box. Simply put it in your mouth before bed and enjoy a snore-free night. ZQuiet is the easiest way to end your snoring for good. And better yet, it'll work the first night that you try it. Since using ZQuiet, I stopped snoring altogether. I feel more alert and well rested during the day, and my blood pressure is back in a nice, healthy range. Your snoring may be seriously affecting your health. You need to try ZQuiet.